Performance Exhaust is the team from Thailand. And Best Turbo Yen is the driver. You may have seen the internet interview on MotorMania.com a bit earlier this afternoon. This team has done an incredible job in preparing this race truck in less than 30 days' time. And we're talking about hand-built components in every aspect, from the body to the chassis to the very unique 4-cylinder engine with single turbo and a 5-speed. This truck has run as quick as 822. In a very candid interview on MotorMania TV, they said, hey, all we want now on our final run down this legendary Texas Motorplex quarter mile is a 7-second run. They ran 822 yesterday, and on their final run stateside at the NHRDA World Finals presented by MBRP, they will try for what will be a history-making 7-second ET on the industrial injection side of the racetrack. Progressively, through his licensing, Best Turbo Yen is run in the 13s, in the 11s, in the 10s, and in the 8s, with a best run of 822. Now he sets his sights on a hopeful 7-second performance, with everyone following along on MotorMania TV on the internet. At last check-in, there were more than 15,000 viewers worldwide, albeit most of them from Thailand. When you can have 15,000 people watching online and a crowd here watching it live at the NHRDA World Finals presented by MBRP, that's nothing but cool in my opinion. And here comes Best Turbo Yen, which with what could be a historic final run of his great racing weekend. He gains his NHRA competition license and will try for a historic 7-second run right here and right now. He lights the pre-stage beam at the top of the tree. He is now staged, and let's see if the little Isuzu pickup truck from the country of Thailand can run in the 7s. Is a 7-second number. He will not get it, unfortunately, but still a strong run. An 854 and 822 runs in back-to-back days completes the team from Thailand's historic weekend here at the NHRDA World Finals presented by MBRP, with the drag racing portion of our